Read aloud and repeat. Read aloud and repeat each sentence. Hi. My name is Sarah. I am learning English. I want to share my story. It is a small story, but it is important to me. It is about the first time I spoke in English. I live in a small village. I like English, but I don't speak it well. I learn English at school. We study grammar and read books. But we don't speak much in class. I want to speak better. One day, I go to the market with my friend. We are buying vegetables. A man from another country is in the shop. He looks lost. He talks to the shopkeeper, but the shopkeeper doesn't understand him. The man looks at me. He asks, "Excuse me, do you speak English?" My heart beats fast. I feel nervous, but I want to try. I say, "Yes, a little." He smiles and asks, "Where is the bus stop?" I know the place. I want to help. I think for a moment. Then I say, "Go straight, turn left. The bus stop is near the bank." The man thanks me. I feel happy. It is my first real conversation in English. It was only a few words, but I helped someone. After that, I feel more confident. I decide to practice more. I watch English videos. I listen to English songs. I write new words in my notebook. I practice with my friend. We ask each other simple questions like, "What is your name?" and "How are you?" One day, I join an English class. My teacher is very friendly. He says, "You don't need to be perfect. Just speak." I like his teaching style. He says, "Don't worry about mistakes. Speak slowly, speak simply, and speak every day." I practice speaking English every day. I make mistakes, but I don't mind. I keep practicing. I learn new words. I speak with my classmates. I feel proud when I can speak in English. Read aloud and repeat. Read aloud and repeat each sentence.